Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the serial number of your ASUS VivoBook S15 laptop. The first way to check your serial number is by looking at the bottom side of your device. Here you'll find the sticker with SN on it, and SN stands for serial number, and basically all that goes after that is your device's serial number, and that's one way. The other way is using your MyASUS application that is pre-installed on your laptop, and if not, you can easily download it from the Microsoft Store. Let me just open this application for you. So open the Start menu, then go to All Applications list, and then find MyASUS under M letter on the list. Open MyASUS app and check the serial number in here. I can see that it's hardly visible from there, but here it is, right beneath your laptop's name. And the third way that we can check the serial number of our laptop is by going to the BIOS menu. So first of all, to go to the BIOS menu, you're going to have to shut down your laptop entirely. Wait until it's turned off. Then turn it on by short pressing the power button. And after short pressing the power button, start repeatedly pressing F2 button on your keyboard until BIOS menu appears on your screen. Here in the BIOS menu, you'll be able to spot your serial number right here beneath your laptop's name. To exit the BIOS menu, press Escape and then Enter. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.